Do you often struggle to come up with the expressions or phrases at the moment when you feel extremely happy or overjoyed, but you end up saying, I'm happy, I'm very happy, I'm so happy, because you don't find any better replacement for these phrases? Well, if your answer is yes, then this video is certainly for you. So hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend GC Rajan from the English Acharya. And today in this video, we're going to go over 5 easy and impressive idioms that you can use to express your happiness during the conversation. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright everyone, so let's start off with the idiom I use frequently to express my happiness, and that is to sit on top of the world. That means you're so happy that you feel like you're sitting on top of the world. Okay, now let's just have a look how we put this idiom into a sentence. That is, I'm sitting on top of the world after getting such a lovely response from you people, that I really am. Okay, now let's just suppose when you're given an award for winning a competition or for doing a great job, and somebody asks you, how do you feel after winning this competition? You simply reply, I'm sitting on top of the world. Okay, now the next idiom is to be over the moon. It means the same, to be very happy or excited about something. For example, my mother was over the moon when my brother got a job. That means my mother was so happy. Next, she's over the moon after getting an iPhone. That means she's very excited about getting an iPhone. The next one is to be in the seventh heaven. It means to be in a state of intense happiness. For example, I was in the seventh heaven when I qualified the GATE exam for the first time. Next, he is in the seventh heaven to see his son after 2 years. That means he's in a state of intense happiness. Okay. Now, moving to the next idiom, on cloud 9. Not to mention, it means the same. That is, to be very happy. But one thing you need to take care of is the preposition used here. It is on cloud 9, and that was in the seventh heaven. Now let's take a look on the example. They're on cloud 9 after winning this match. She's been on cloud 9 since the day she got the admission in IIT. The final idiom in our list is Cockahoop. It is an old-fashioned idiom that is used to show how extremely happy somebody is, and the happiness is especially about an achievement. For example, the RCB team is Cockahoop at winning their first match in the IPL. The other one is, I am Cockahoop after getting so much of love and support from you guys. Thank you for it. So it was all about this video, friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and do share it with your friends as well. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye, and always smile.